First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To create enterprise AI solutions, start by identifying the business problem you want AI to solve. For example, an organization might use AI for customer support, document analysis, internal knowledge search, content processing, data extraction, or employee assistance. Next, define the users, data sources, workflows, and security requirements for the solution. Before building anything, decide what information the AI is allowed to access and what actions it should be allowed to perform. Now use Google AI Studio to prototype the AI behavior. Create clear system instructions and provide the business context the model needs. Test different prompts and workflows using realistic examples from the intended use case. For enterprise applications, reliability is especially important. Define what the AI should do when information is missing, conflicting, or unavailable. Instruct it not to invent information and to clearly communicate uncertainty when necessary. Next, connect the AI application to approved business systems using the appropriate APIs or functions. For example, an enterprise assistant could retrieve information from an internal system and use Gemini to summarize or explain it. When using function calling, validate inputs and restrict the actions the AI is allowed to perform. Security should be built into the solution from the beginning. Protect API keys, control user permissions, secure sensitive data, and avoid giving the AI unnecessary access to business systems. You should also add monitoring and logging so administrators can identify errors, unusual usage, and performance problems.